Hello everyone, today we will be looking at Target Process Tutorial. Target Process Tutorial. How to manage Agile projects and portfolios. Have you ever wondered how to seamlessly align high-level strategy with everyday tasks in a way that keeps everyone on the same page? Target Process offers the perfect solution. It is a powerful visual project management and agile planning platform designed to help businesses organize, track, and deliver work in a collaborative and flexible way. Popular among teams using Agile and Lean methodologies, Target Process provides a comprehensive approach to planning, prioritizing, and managing portfolios, programs, and projects at various levels. The platform enables teams to visualize work from strategic initiatives all the way down to individual tasks, ensuring everyone stays aligned with the bigger picture while maintaining a detailed view of day-to-day progress. Let us go to their website, and it's us here. IBM Target Process is a powerful, flexible, strategic portfolio management solution that powers your ability to scale at the speed of business. It connects strategy to execution holistically, so you can deliver outcomes, value, and across-the-board improvements. Achieve alignment across the business. Align work and portfolios to business strategy with consolidated financial views for enhanced strategic visibility. Maximize productivity and organizational efficiency. Improve team efficiency with a unified view. Play resource needs, optimize scheduling, and manage dependencies. Accelerate decision-making. Maximize investment value by continuously reviewing value streams and quickly deploying solutions for fast time to value. Let us scroll down for a bit. Here are some capabilities that Target Process has. Create seamless connectivity from team-level tasks to overarching strategic objectives with custom visual reports and dashboards. Use a flexible architecture tailored to fit your unique operational needs, allowing for configurable solutions. Support diverse working methods, accommodating teams that fully transition to Agile methodologies or using a combination of methodologies. Dynamic trend analysis. Harness powerful analytics, scenario analysis, and insights to help your organization stay informed and plan for future trends and potential impacts. Let us take it from the top and kick things off by starting your free trial. All you need to do is click this button. Yes, that shiny one right there, begging to be clicked. Make sure to fill in your business contact information. Once you're done, just hit Submit. Dashboard. The dashboard is the first thing you will see when you log in. It displays an overview of your workspace and key metrics such as project progress, team workload, and task status. Navigation menu. On the left side of the screen, you will find the main navigation menu, which includes Portfolio, to manage high-level initiatives and programs. Work items for creating and tracking tasks, user stories, and defects. Boards. Visual representation of your work items, Kanban, Scrum boards. Reports to generate reports for tracking team performance and project progress. Create a work item. From the main dashboard, click on the Work Items tab. Click the plus New Work Item button. Just the type of work item you want to create. Example, user story, task, blog. Fill in the details for the work item. Title, name of the work item. Description, a detailed explanation of what needs to be done. Priority, set the priority level. Assignee, assign it to a specific team member, iteration or sprint. Use the iteration or sprint for which the work item is intended. Click Save to create the work item. Managing work items. Once created, you can view and edit work items by navigating to the Work Items tab. To edit an item, click on it and update its status, priority, or description. You can also add attachments or links to other work items for better tracking. let us explore on boards. Kanban board. In Targetprocess, you can use Kanban boards to visualize the workflow of your work items. Because, let's be honest, who doesn't love a good visual? It is like the game of life, but with less emotional turmoil and more productivity. Navigate to the board section from the left-hand navigation menu. Think of it as the map to your treasure chest of tasks. Choose Kanban from the options or any custom board you have set up because who doesn't love personalizing things? Here, you will see all your work items divided into columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done, or the 3 stages of productivity. Now, here comes the fun part. Drag and drop work items across these columns to update their status. It is like playing a game of how fast can I get this done? Except instead of losing, you actually feel more accomplished. Bonus points if you do a happy dance when you move something to done. Second is Scrum board. If your team follows Scrum methodology, you can use the Scrum board to visualize sprints and track progress. In the board section, select Scrum board. Here you can manage sprint tasks, assign user stories, and track countdown charts. Releases. A release is a collection of work items that are scheduled to be completed in a given time frame. To create a release, go to the Portfolio tab, then click on Releases. Click plus New Release. Fill out the release details such as name, start and end date, and target goals. Add work items to the release to ensure the team is aligned with the release objectives. Milestones represent key achievements or points in the project. Kinda like you've made it moments when you cross something off your never-ending to-do list. In the Portfolio section, click Milestones to create new ones, because who doesn't want to mark all their little victories, right? These milestones can be linked to releases or specific work items to track major deliverables. It's like putting little flags in the sand to remind yourself, hey, look at me, I am making progress, generating reports. To assess team progress, generate reports by navigating to the Report section. Here, you can create custom reports based on various metrics like burn down charts, trucks print progress and workload, velocity, measure the amount of work completed over time. Breakdown of the types of work being done, tasks, bugs, stories. Customizable dashboards allow you to view different data points in one place. Create a custom dashboard that displays project timelines, team performance, or other metrics relevant to your work. From the user section, you can invite team members to your workspace. Set roles for each user. For example, admin, manager, developer, etc. Assign specific permissions for viewing, editing, or managing work items based on the user's role. Permissions. You can control access to different parts of the workspace, such as who can view certain portfolios, releases, or boards. In the Settings section, navigate to Permissions to define access levels for each user. And that is all there is on Targetprocess Tutorial 2026, How to Manage Agile Projects and Portfolios. We hope to see you in the next video, but please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.